So we have another property for sale. This is 27,000 square meters or 2.7 hectares. Tax declaration dili pa siya titulado. Located in Barangay Pulang Bato, Redstone, Cebu City. So there are flat terrain. It's a flat terrain, then rolling and flat terrain. So nabahin ang yuta, guys. Again, this is not yet titled. Then there are several informal settlers that have already signed, nakapirma na, that they are going to remove in the area once there is a clear or prospective buyer. So the property is ideal for a subdivision development, no? Pwede siya gamong subdivision since it is very close from the city. Dool ra gyud siya sa city, although I notice in the area that there is already a subdivision development of a certain developer. So nindot yun lugar, guys. Bugnaw gyapon ni. Nindot ang location. It's really good. So the price is package for 15 million 15. Naigo rin ni siya, guys, og mga 555 per square meter. So barato ra gyapon eh. You know, kato ganing uban tag 1,000 plus naman ang per square meter. Kini siya, it's along the road. The situation lang is a tax declaration, but actually it can be titled, no, kay it's not a protected area. So pwede ra gyud siya matitulo, then convert this into a subdivision or farming. As you can see, dili na included the houses, no. It's along the road. You can see the road, no. Dako man 2.7. But again, there are still few, no, informal settlers that have been already settled na sila gipermahan. So this is really good, no. Gwapo gyapon ni siya, guys. Okay, mahal na magidiri. Like 1,500 or 2,000 lang uban ng presyuhan diri. Then this along the river. Okay, thank you.